For decades, spacewalks meant bulky, restrictive suits, essentially wearable spacecraft, designed for survival, not comfort. But that's changing fast. A new generation of spacesuits is emerging, driven by private innovation and national ambition. SpaceX is reimagining every detail, while NASA partners with industry to prepare for Artemis and a return to the moon. China, too, is developing its own advanced suits for lunar exploration. These next-gen suits are lighter, smarter, and more flexible, with adaptive materials and integrated heads-up displays. The result? Astronauts can move more naturally, work longer, and tackle more complex tasks. Imagine building a lunar base with the agility of a construction worker on Earth. This leap in suit technology is transforming spacewalks from high-risk stunts into routine, productive work. The new suits are the key to unlocking a future where humans truly live and work beyond Earth. SpaceX's Polaris Dawn EVA suit looks like science fiction, but it's packed with real innovation. Smart materials and advanced joints make it far more flexible than traditional suits, reducing fatigue and boosting precision. A 3D printed helmet with a heads-up display streams vital data right into the astronaut's view. No more clunky wrist displays. The suit is even designed for future jetpack integration, enabling untethered movement in space. Polaris Dawn's 2024 mission marked the first commercial spacewalk, testing these features in real conditions. 4 astronauts ventured outside together, proving the suit's reliability and performance. This milestone showed private companies can now handle complex human spaceflight, once reserved for governments. SpaceX's suit isn't just an upgrade, it's a bold step toward a new era of commercial space exploration. To appreciate SpaceX's leap, compare it to NASA's classic extravehicular mobility unit, the iconic heavy white suit of the shuttle and ISS era. The EMU was a marvel for its time, but it was bulky, rigid, and exhausting to wear. SpaceX's suit flips the script. It's streamlined, user-focused, and built with modern materials and 3D printing. NASA once experimented with jetpacks, but after the Challenger disaster, risk aversion took over and tethers returned. SpaceX is reviving the jetpack concept, betting that today's tech can make untethered spacewalks safe and practical. As a private company, SpaceX can take calculated risks in pursuit of ambitious goals like Mars colonization. Their approach isn't reckless, safety is still paramount, but they're willing to push boundaries that government agencies might avoid. The result, technologies once shelved are back, and the freedom to move untethered in space is within reach. This marks a fundamental shift in how we approach human activity beyond Earth. SpaceX's philosophy is reshaping what's possible for astronauts and for the future of space exploration. NASA's Artemis program needs a new lunar suit, so it turned to Axiom Space and their AxiomU. Designed for the moon's harsh south pole, the AxiomU offers unprecedented mobility. Astronauts can walk, bend, and squat naturally. Adjustable components mean one suit fits a wide range of body types, a big leap from the custom-fitted Apollo suits. Prada, the luxury brand, helped engineer the outer layers for durability and flexibility, not just style. The helmet features HD cameras and advanced lighting, while the life support system is compact and efficient. Real-time health monitoring streams biometric data back to Earth, enhancing safety on long lunar EVAs. The AxiomU is more than a suit, it's a wearable exploration vehicle built for the next age of moonwalks. NASA's partnership with private industry is accelerating innovation for lunar exploration. While the West focuses on NASA and SpaceX, China is quietly advancing its own lunar ambitions. The Feiqian suit, already proven on the Tiangong station, is being re-engineered for the moon, lighter, more flexible, and built for harsh lunar conditions. China's state-driven approach enables long-term planning and rapid progress, with a 2030 lunar landing firmly in sight. Their new suit is a symbol of technological independence, developed almost entirely with domestic expertise. Excluded from the ISS, China built its own station and EVA technology from scratch. The lunar Feiqian suit is a cornerstone of China's strategy to lead in space on its own terms. By mastering EVA technology, China is ensuring it can pursue its space goals without relying on others. The race to build next-gen spacesuits is a global contest, private companies, government agencies, and nations all vying for leadership. SpaceX's rapid, iterative development contrasts with NASA's slower, safety-focused process and China's methodical, state-led strategy. Each model has strengths: SpaceX's speed, NASA's experience, China's long-term vision. NASA's partnerships aim to blend private agility with public safety standards. China's centralized approach enables consistent funding and milestone-driven progress. SpaceX's innovations have lowered launch costs worldwide, opening space to more players. Private EVA suits mean spacewalks could soon be routine for commercial workers, not just government astronauts. The result, a more global, commercialized, and accessible space environment than ever before. These new spacesuits are more than gear. They're the gateway to humanity's next chapter in space. Flexible, high-tech suits make lunar bases and long missions possible, keeping astronauts safer and more productive. The competition between the US, China, and private companies is accelerating innovation for everyone. Whether the next moonwalker wears an Axiom, SpaceX, or Fashion suit, the technology will benefit all of us. Each suit represents a different vision, commercial ambition, international collaboration, or national pride. The future will likely blend all three, shaping a new era of exploration. Soon, the human silhouette in space will be more mobile, capable, and connected than ever. These suits are our interface with the cosmos, enabling the next giant leaps to the moon, Mars, and beyond. The future of spacewalks is being stitched together today, on Earth, for the stars.